How to log in Splitwise account. Hey guys, welcome to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to log in Splitwise account on your mobile phone. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Splitwise application on your mobile phone. Now here on the top, you can see two options. You can tap on sign in with Google to continue logging in with Google account. I'm going to continue with my email address, so tap on login option. Now here tap on email address box and enter your email address associated with your Splitwise account. Then tap on password box and enter the correct password of your account. Now if you do not remember your password, you can tap on forgot your password option. After entering your login credentials, tap on login. With this, now you'll be able to log in to your Splitwise account. Here on the bottom right corner, you can see my Splitwise account has been logged in. And this is how you simply log in to Splitwise account. Hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.